Mga bata, nahihirapan ba kayo sa subject na math? Lumiham lang sa Dear TMC at sasagutin ko sa abot ng aking makakaya. Hanapin lang ako sa Facebook, sa TikTok, and YouTube channel. Dear TMC, ang nakuha ko pong answer dito ay 33. Sa iba naman, 10. Sa iba naman, negative 21. Ano ba talaga ang tama? Ang PEMDAS o GEMDAS ay isang pamamaraan upang ma-remember natin ang order of operations. Based on the mnemonic device, P stands for parenthesis, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Alin sa tatlong terms ang ating uunahin? Obviously, yung pangalawa. Nandito ang parentheses. 6 plus 1 equals 7 times 4 equals 28. Now, let's go to the exponent. 3 to the power of 2 is equal to 9. From left to right, we will write 9 minus 28 minus 2. Let's process starting from the left. 9 minus 28 is equal to negative 19. Paano ito naging negative 19? In this expression, we are subtracting 28 from 9. When subtracting, change the sign of the subtrahend and change the operation from subtraction to addition. Therefore, 9 plus negative 28 is equal to 19. Don't forget to get the sign of the greater number. Therefore, the answer is negative 19. What is our next step? It says here, negative 19 minus positive 2. Anong gagawin natin pag may subtraction? Change the sign of the subtrahend and change the operation from subtraction to addition. Negative 19 plus negative 2 is equal to negative 21. Mga bata, nahihirapan ba kayo sa subject na math? Lumiham lang sa Dear TMC at sasagutin ko sa abot ng aking makakaya. Hanapin lang ako sa Facebook, sa TikTok, and YouTube channel.